Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Oma and thank you so much for still being here with me. I know I haven't been on here as much as I used to be, but it's just me trying to find inspiration and trying to find reasons on why I should continue playing and giving my time to this game and developers that are just so greedy. And in case you don't know what's happening, we have a mini ban again. So if you go into your game and you're a hacked player, you're gonna get the error message that would pop up. But I don't know, we got a very few items this update. I think we have about 8 items that are cute. Yeah, these are the items that are cute, but you know, for saying you have the update 9.10, whatever that is, I mean, you should do more. You should step it up. Glue, KKH official, whoever it is that is in charge of these. I mean, you guys are frustrating people. In case you don't know, we don't have the collections anymore. We don't have the show your style anymore. That's for the hack players anyways. So I'm not gonna restart. I've always said I'm not gonna restart or delete my iOS game. I'm sorry. What I'm gonna do is that I have an Android device and I'm gonna download the game on the phone, and you know, maybe we will do it together and see how it is starting all over again and without a hack. I just don't understand. The good thing they did this update is that they gave us a storyline with Rani, the Bollywood girl in the game, and they also gave us a pop-up store, and that pop-up store gave me an opportunity to, you know, showcase a hack I've always known about to you guys. So it's a hack that would make your doll glitter and shine in the game. Whatever she's wearing, she's gonna be glittering and shining, and she's gonna be in extra. So if you are interested for that, so this is what you're gonna do. First of all, you're gonna go into your wardrobe and you're gonna look for any dress that sparkles or shines on their own, you know, animated, not just gloves that have glitter on them. No, it must be sparkling and shining, going off and on, like you could see the stars and the sparkles blinking off and on. It must be animated. So when you find something like that, then you are sure that you are in the right step. So as you can see, I'm trying all these dresses that in my mind they have sparkles, but they are not glittering, you know. They're not giving me that animation. Oh, this blue one has some animation in the neckline and, you know, all over the body. In fact, this could work, but because I've not tried it with it, I don't want to take a chance. So I decided to go for this black Christmas box item or Christmas update item, whatever. But it was a dress we got in 2014 or 15. I can't even remember. I think it's 2015. So it's a black dress. Yes, this is it here. So as you can see, it has all the animations. You can see it sparkling and shining. You can see all the bells and whistles just going off and on this dress, and it's a beautiful dress. So when Glue used to really care about us, and you know, this is not going to work when you take pictures in the wardrobe. No, it's just for the game. Like, it's aesthetically pleasing. Like, if you open your game, your doll is shining. Look at these other dolls, they're looking so dull and drab. And you're gonna see this effect side by side right now with this black diamond gown that the Kokov model is wearing. So what you're gonna do is purchase a dress and try it on. So if you try it on, you would see that because you have on this sparkling dress already, anything you wear on top of it, the sparkles is gonna come forth, it's gonna come through. Okay, look at me, look at my doll, and look at this Kokov model. As you can see, I am shining, I am sparkling, but she's looking so dull. I mean, you won't even believe it's the same dress. Okay, just look at the animations and everything, like sparkling, you're shining. I really love this animation. So what you're gonna do next is go onto your lookbook and save it to your lookbook. So what God's gonna do is that you've saved that look, so anything you now, anytime you click on this look from your lookbook, anything you wear on top of it is gonna sparkle and shine. That's just what it is. So look at this. As you can see, I am sparkling, the model is not sparkling. Look at this blue dress, sparkling, and the original is not sparkling. So that's just a neat little trick or hack. It's nothing serious. It's just aesthetically pleasing. Like when you open your game, you're gonna see it. And that's it. Thank you so much for still being here. I love you so much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.